GPT-4o. Are you still switching between multiple tools just to create, analyze, and edit different types of content? What if one AI could handle text, images, audio, and even video all in a single model? That's exactly what GPT-4o, also called GPT-4Omni, delivers. As OpenAI's latest multimodal model, GPT-4o is designed to process and generate across nearly every media format. It's more than a chatbot. It's an all-in-one creative and analytical partner. One of GPT-4o's standout features is its multimodal input and output. You can upload a photo, a voice clip, or even a video, and it understands and responds seamlessly. Its video understanding and generation capabilities let it analyze video frames at 2 to 4 frames per second, ideal for summarizing clips or creating short, AI-assisted video segments. While it's not fully autonomous at producing long videos yet, it can generate brief clips and even reconstruct 3D models. On the audio side, GPT-4o is a major leap forward. It can process tone, pitch, and speed, outperforming previous speech recognition systems like Whisper v3. It can translate audio, understand spoken context, and even sing on demand. Its image generation tools allow for precise style control, detailed scene creation, and one-shot referencing for consistent results. Its visual understanding outpaces competitors such as Gemini and Claude on benchmark tests, making it a strong choice for tasks like object detection, sentiment analysis, and interpreting complex visual data. For text, GPT-4o includes improved tokenization and comprehension, enabling it to handle nuanced prompts, emotional tones, and sophisticated reasoning. Typical use cases range from video script generation and social media planning to audio transcription, business analysis, and rich visual content creation. Creators can plan and narrate videos, marketers can analyze multi-format data, and developers can integrate GPT-4o into their workflows for seamless multimedia tasks. By combining text, audio, image, and video capabilities, GPT-4o saves time, enhances creativity, and reduces the need for multiple tools. Try GPT-4o and experience how one AI model can bring your ideas to life across every format.